Good afternoon. Today we're going to be looking at how to create a playlist in your YouTube channel. You've already watched a video and hopefully created your YouTube channel. I'll talk about it a little bit here as we go through, but if you do not remember or you have not done this, you want to go back into the web page for the Going Google class and watch the video on how to create a YouTube channel. Now I am signed into Chrome, and as we have discussed before, this is going to follow me whenever I sign in. So I'm signed out of YouTube right now just to show you that up in the upper right hand corner is my sign in section. I'm going to sign in using my CCSD account because this is my teacher channel. I have learned the hard way that you try to keep your YouTube watching for the stuff that you find entertaining or funny or maybe not what you taught to your students about on your home Gmail, and you try to do your, I'm so good, I'm making sure I'm watching stuff about history and TED Talks on my school YouTube channel, just because what you watch follows you, and sometimes what you watch might not be what you want to share with your kids. So again, I signed in using my CCSD account. Here it is over here because I'm working with my Teacher Ann Wyman channel at this point in time. I'm at the home bar right now, and what I want to do is look at my channel itself. And today we're going to talk about this idea of a playlist. So I'm going to pretend I'm back in the classroom and that I'm still a history teacher and that I want to provide some additional information for my students on the New Deal. So what I'm going to do, I'm in my channel. I go over to my library. And you'll see I have some other playlists created here. I'm going to create a new playlist. So once again, I was in my channel, I went to my library, and now I'm going to create a new playlist. My new playlist is going to be U.S. History, New Deal. You can see this is not the first time I've made this screencast. I messed up on the last one. I'm going to hit Create. That's why it auto-completed for me. And so what I want to do right now is I want to look at my playlist settings first. So my playlist right now is public, and I like to, well, I'll be in control of what order. You can have a couple of different options on how the videos in the playlist are ordered. Let's do newest to oldest. That'll be the way we do it. You can do any different way. Auto add is a feature. You can see over here, I follow a bunch of different education type websites, and auto add would say that YouTube channel would actually add something when it came up after I set a rule on how it would come up. And I don't particularly like that. I might explore it at another time, but for right now, the only other feature I want to talk about is collaboration. So if I'm working with several other U.S. history teachers in the district, I can add them as collaborators to my YouTube channel, and that way they can upload videos. So if we were all trying to form this rich database for our students to go to where they had all these video resources when they got home to reinforce or re-instruct on learning from the classroom, we could work together because, as we all know, collaboration is so much easier than doing things just on your own. I'm not actually teaching U.S. history, so I will not add collaborators at this point in time. So I've saved my playlist settings. I, of course, can go out at any point in time and change those if I want, but I want to show you how to add videos. So I've pulled up 2 YouTube videos about the New Deal from channels that I follow. I go up here, I've highlighted the URL, I copy it, and I paste it here. You can also search from here. I just like to kind of preview them first since I'm doing a screencast and showing you how to do something. I want it to be a little more timely, but you can search by keywords or anything like that, or videos that you've created. But I'm going to go just this way. So that is one of the videos I want to add. There it shows up. You notice that my channel now has a different look to it because it's got a video in it. I'm going to add another video. This one, again, I go up here, I highlight the URL. I'm going to throw it in here. Search for it. There's another one. So I'll go out on a limb here because I haven't actually previewed what will come up now, but I want to see New Deal, U.S. history. Do a search. Well, looks nice. New Deal in 3 minutes. Oh, and that's from, I know AP Push. APUSH is a AP prep class for U.S. history, so that's probably going to be some pretty decent information. That looks like it might be interesting. A little kind of rap song made around the different agencies created during the New Deal. That might be fun. BBC History, I know that's kind of a reputable site. So these are some actual speeches given by FDR. That might be interesting for my kids. As you see, there's lots of different stuff to here. Now I follow Crash Course, so I am gonna go ahead and add that one. And then I might want one more kind of funny one. So let's see what else we could do. Let's go back to New Deal, U.S. history. Because, you know, the kids get enough dry history. I like some of the kind of, let's make a song about it. I think I'm going to try the alphabet agencies. So we now have a playlist for our students. They have a couple of options. We can change the way it's sorted. They can play all of them, or they can just choose one that they want to play. Basically, that's all you have to do. This playlist is now here, so we could make sure that our students can get to it. We can give them the YouTube channel and an email posted on our Google Classroom. Any of those different methods that we have to share it, we could make a tiny URL and they could take that and sign in, QR code, however we want to do it. If you're doing Google Plus or Twitter, you could also tweet it out or share it through the Google social media. Lots of different ways to share this. Of course, we can always just pick this up, or if we wanted to actually type in email addresses for our kids, if you have them in a spreadsheet, you can copy and paste them here, and your message could be, use these videos to reinforce the learning from today. Basically, that's creating a playlist in your YouTube channel to help support your students in accessing the learning in new and different ways. Thanks so much for watching this afternoon. Talk to you later. Bye.